Sanuvox UV sterilization systems use ultraviolet light to destroy airborne biological and chemical contaminants as they pass through the air system, including viruses, bacteria, mold, cigarette smoke, cooking and pet odors, chemical fumes, and VOCs. Our advanced UV sterilization technology is so effective, it can also be used to clean mold from commercial evaporator coils, reducing maintenance and operating costs, saving thousands of dollars. Additionally, all Sanuvox air sterilization systems use high-intensity UV lamps which are mounted parallel to the airflow, maximizing exposure and annihilating 99.9% of all microbes on a single pass of air. All our patented UV sterilization systems also utilize anodized aluminum reflectors to amplify and direct the UV energy, just like a car's headlight. This not only gives you treated, sterilized air, it also doubles the standard lamp life over competing models. Tested by both EPA and the Department of Homeland Security for effectiveness, Sanuvox is also currently the only UV sterilization system to be reviewed in a respected medical journal. Indoor air quality has never been more important. Reduce absenteeism, building-related illness, viruses, bacteria, and mold with silent, cost-effective ultraviolet air and surface sterilization by Sanuvox, bringing the power of the sun indoors.